Hi everyone, welcome back to Anthonytutorials. Today, we're diving into one of the most creative and impactful aspects of web design, choosing the right color scheme for your website. Let's get started.
Anthonytutorials.
Why color schemes matter. The colors on your website are more than just decoration. They set the tone, communicate your brand, and influence how visitors feel about your site. Did you know that 85% of consumers say color is the primary reason they purchase a product? And 90% of snap judgments about products are based on color alone. That's why it's so important to choose a color scheme that resonates with your audience and aligns with your message. Basics of color theory. Before picking colors, let's talk about some color theory basics. Primary colors: red, blue, and yellow, the building blocks of all colors. Secondary colors: orange, green, and purple, which are created by mixing primary colors. Tertiary colors: these are mixes of primary and secondary colors. Now let's talk about color harmonies. Complementary colors: colors opposite each other on the wheel, like blue and orange. These create high contrast. Analogous colors: colors next to each other on the wheel, creating a harmonious look, like blue, teal, and green. Triadic colors: three colors evenly spaced on the wheel, like red, blue, and yellow, for a balanced and vibrant palette. Steps to choosing the right color scheme. Here are 5 simple steps to pick the perfect color scheme for your website. Step 1. Understand your brand. Ask yourself, what emotions do you want your audience to feel? For example, blue conveys trust and professionalism, while yellow feels cheerful and energetic. Step 2. Research your audience. What colors resonate with your target audience? For instance, if you're targeting younger audiences, vibrant and playful colors may work best. Step 3. Start with a base color. Choose one dominant color that represents your brand. This will be the foundation of your color scheme. Step 4. Choose accent colors. Pick 2 to 3 accent colors to complement your base color. Use these for buttons, links, and other design elements. Step 5. Test for accessibility. Ensure your color scheme is accessible to all users. Use tools like the WebAM contrast checker to make sure text is readable against background colors. Tools to help you choose. Here are some fantastic tools to help you create a color scheme. Adobe Color. Experiment with different color harmonies. Coolors. Generate and save custom palettes. Canva's Color Palette Generator. Upload an image and it extracts a palette for you. Material Design's Color Tool. Great for modern and clean designs. Examples of great color schemes. Let's look at some examples. Dropbox. Simple, professional blues with clean white backgrounds. Spotify. A bold combination of black, green, and white. Airbnb. Warm, inviting tones of pink, red, and white. Notice how these brands use colors to communicate their identity effectively. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helps you choose the perfect color scheme for your website. That if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite color scheme tips. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Anthonytutorials.